We have well and truly left Exmouth. As you would have seen, we went and explored Genie, and that was all beautiful and exciting and new. And I feel like it's just kind of hit me now how lonely van life can be sometimes. I just wanted to talk about it on here because it's actually something I struggled with so much when we first started living in the van, like full-time. Yeah, I really struggled with how lonely it can be at times and how far away from home you can feel. I'm like so much more used to it now. Like it actually doesn't normally bother me that much, but I think just being back in like a busy city, not as close to nature as we were in Exmouth, and not surrounded by so many beautiful people, I'm just kind of like, oh, it's this feeling again. I remember this feeling. I often have to stop myself from thinking about my family and friends back home and my dogs because it makes me really sad, and I don't know when I'm going to see them again. It's just a bit of reality. So not all surfing and coffee in beautiful places, but it is still amazing. It's nights like these that really make you appreciate those beautiful times so much more.
Well, I've been driving for too long.
These last 2 weeks, it has felt like all we have done is drive. We have covered some ground, that's for sure. What are you doing? Oh. This is home.
If you're out the surf, it'll clear out.
And there's some like times there it's not the best forecast or whatever.
Let's sit on the thing.
Oh,
Cute family.
miles away.
Good morning, mister. Good morning. Good boy.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always hidden. Don't wait, and I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can't no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away. Yeah. You'll always be my heart and my life. Every second of the day.
We haven't been doing a whole lot since we arrived here in Yallingup, but to be honest, it's actually been so nice to just slow down for a while, settle into one spot, just hang out with friends. cook delicious food, stock up all my like little natural products, and yeah, just really slow down. The weather's actually been quite cold and rainy, which I've actually really enjoyed for a change compared to Exmouth. It was just always sunny and hot. It's been really nice to feel the seasons changing. Like we're starting to get more of that spring sunshine and just the beautiful spring aromas that's in the air. Yeah, I'm loving it.
A potato egg. Oh, it's so sad, but it's so good.
We haven't been doing a whole lot of adventuring since arriving in Yallingup. With the weather being cooler and starting a new job at a caravan park here, we've really just been settling into this new home base for the next little while. When our friends told us that they were hiking the Cape to Cape track, we couldn't resist joining them for a leg of it, and boy, was it beautiful. It felt so good to be completely immersed in nature again. No phone reception or distractions, just us, this incredible coastline, and some of our best mates, telling stories of the past and making exciting plans for the future. It really was so soul-nourishing.
Darling, I've never been.
If you're ever in this area, we couldn't recommend doing at least a leg of this trail more. You won't regret it.
Flowers you brought my stomach in knots. You never seem to be scared. My heart's on pause whenever you're gone. But one day we'll go anywhere. Darling, I've never been there. Waves they tower, screams get louder.
So nice, actually.
All I need is your hand in mine.
Oh, man, that would have taken years. I've started fine. So sick. Yeah, nothing.
We will travel many miles. Will we ever see home again? Waves they tower, screams get louder. All I need is your hand in mine.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the love and support of these videos. It means more to me than you'd know, and it feels so good to be creating in a way that truly lights me up. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful day.